Welcome to another On the Road video, brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage.
All right, today we're going to be replacing the ice maker in this Kitchenaid French door refrigerator. The only tool you will need to complete this repair is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Next thing we're going to do to start off the repair is remove the front of the door. There are 4 1/4 inch head screws that can be removed, and the door will slide right off, which we will do now. You do not have to remove the screws all the way. Just about half will be fine. After loose, just lift up and it'll come right off. After removing the door, there will be 3 more 1/4 inch screws on the bottom of the ice maker. They go into a white bracket, it's a metal bracket, and that's what the ice maker is actually screwed into. So what we'll do, we'll remove these. You should actually see the ice maker start to lift out a bit. So after doing that, just want to reach back and unhook the harness, the Molex connector. It's going in the back. And we're going to lift up and out. The replacement ice maker you're going to install, there will be certain pieces from the old ice maker that you need to change over, including the wire harness, which is here, the arm bar, which is here, and on the new one, on this particular model, there's no need for this metal bracket. You can remove this, one simple screw, and this can be discarded. To remove the wire harness, it's very simple. Just take it out of the metal brackets that hold it in. To remove this wire harness, the Molex connector has a simple clip, push down, and it'll slide right out. Next, we will remove the metal arm bar, which is your shut-off bar. It'll simply just pop out, just like this. Grab the new ice maker, push it in, and in the bottom hole it goes in there. Nice and through. Test its functionality. Next we're gonna put in the wire harness. It just slides right in. You'll hear it click. Just give it a little tug, make sure it's fine. Take your inline fuse here and tuck it up in the metal bracket. All right, now our new ice maker will be ready to be installed. All right, now we're reinstalling the ice maker. Just want to slide it back up and in. I personally like to connect the Molex. It's one of the first things, so that you have a lot more room to do it in. Also, make sure that your fill hose is going directly into the fill cup, so you're not spilling over. All right, there are 2 hooks that it will hook right onto. Just want to confirm that you're on both of them. After lining it up, you're going to take your 3 1/4 inch screws, put them back in. right, after installing your new ice maker, what you want to do is reinstall the door. You just want to slide the screws right into the grooves. One side then the other to make things easier. Should sit there nice and flush. Just tighten them down. Now after installing the front of the door again, what you want to do is just replace the 2 remaining drawers that you removed to do the repair, and that will complete your repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.